Biscuits one and all, how's everyone doing? Good morning. You could probably tell by the bed head, I just rolled out of bed, so been just absolutely just jonesing for some biscuits and gravy. And then I saw that Shovelhead 8 made some last week, and I'm like, oh, I need to make that now. So yeah, I already got my biscuits in the oven. I just gotta wait a few, then I'll start the rest. I'll bring it back. Alrighty, so I'm using some supportware in this video. Because I don't have a big enough skillet to cook bacon and also my sausage gravy. So, not much I can do about it. Plus, I got my egg pan back here, which, you know, I only use that for eggs. I don't use it for anything else. So, this is just some Jimmy Dean sausage. I guess you could call me crazy, but I like a little bit of Old Bay on my sausage. Not too much. Maybe a little garlic while I'm at it. Alrighty. Now, there's typically never enough fat after I cook sausage, which kind of sounds strange, but I throw in a little bit of bacon grease. And I have this problem also with over flouring. I always end up putting too much flour in, so I'm going to try a tablespoon. I need to reduce the heat too. Alright, now let's put in the moo juice. Let that come up back up. Yeah, that thickness is looking really good. So I'm only making breakfast for me, so I'm gonna add a little salt. Add some pepper because you got to season. Add a lot of pepper because I love pepper. Turn that down a little low. Biscuits have 2 minutes left. Gotta get my eggs in. Alright. I'm gonna be doing my eggs over easy today. Yeah, yolk didn't break. Woo! And of course, black pepper. I think that thickness is good enough. Do the flip. Kill the heat. Take a look at those perfectly. Get those biscuits out. Oh man, look at those. Those look awesome. I think my eggs are done. Sweet, let's dish up. I didn't want my gravy to be too runny because I actually want it to stick to the biscuits. Okay, and I got my eggies right here. And of course, my bacon. Oh, yeah. I'm looking forward to this for the past few days. Probably hot as hell too. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. Alright, well, you're probably thinking that my gravy wasn't very white, like typical country gravy is, but I used bacon grease when I made it, so I think it adds that little extra color. But it still tastes phenomenal. It just doesn't look, you know, like regular biscuits gravy. Also, if I made a larger batch, it might have, you know, colored it out a little bit more if I had made like a bunch for enough for like multiple people. So anyway, I'm gonna go sit and eat breakfast. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the link for Cast Iron Wednesday. It'll be in the description, and last week's video will be in there as well. Thanks again. Have a great week. We'll catch you in the next one.